Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope y'all are having a great week so far. So, in today's video, we're going to be going over a super simple, quick and easy Walgreens pickup order that you do not want to miss out on. Now, this week at Walgreens, there's not a whole lot going on as far as coupon matchups and the deals. They're just kind of the same repeat deals. Plus, I did not receive a digital booster this week. Y'all let me know if you received a digital booster. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this deal because this is one that you do not want to miss out on. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I'm back. We are in the car and I have a paper towel deal for you guys. So I've got to hurry because the sun is literally going down. I've had to turn my car lights on here and it's dinner time and I am starving. So we're going to get through this video really quick. If you guys watched yesterday's video, it was a Dollar General video. I went in, found all kinds of awesome deals that I have not seen anyone else talk about. So if you missed that video, definitely go check it out. I'll leave it linked down in the pinned comment below. So we do have the Scott Scott bath tissue deal going on at Dollar General. You pick up 4 and you're going to pay $12. That works out to be $3 each. Great deal, okay? I also heard a rumor that these Scott paper towels were working at the register. I tried that today. That is not a deal. So if you've heard that rumor, that does not work, okay? It was still like $20. So, also, there's Scott Cottonelle Viva products are working at self-checkout at Dollar General. I cannot give you guys the specifics of that deal because I do not have any self-checkout stores near me. But a lovely subscriber, thank you so much, Amanda, she kind of did a little breakdown in the comment section of yesterday's video. So I'm going to go back and try to pin that up at the top for you guys. So thank you so much, Amanda. And yeah, that's all that I have on that. I wish I had self-checkout, but unfortunately I do not. So if you are like me and you don't have any self-checkouts and you got in on the bath tissue deal, here is a paper towel deal that you can do if you have Walgreens, okay? And I did this as a pickup order, so it didn't take me, you know, just a couple of minutes to run in and out and grab it and go. So we have the Viva 6-count paper towels. These are on sale for $3.99. This sale also includes the Cottonelle bath tissue. I think it is also a 6-count, if I'm not mistaken, but they're also $3.99. And they're big rolls as well. So here's the deal that I did. Viva, I picked up 3. That's going to put you at $11.97. You can try to use the code FAST10, but I tried it and it did not work for me. It may have had something. I did try to use that in my last pickup order, but I ended up canceling that order, so that may be why it doesn't work for me. But definitely try it. You know, no harm done if it doesn't work. Try to put in the code FAST10. That'll bring you down your out-of-pocket down a little. So subtotal $11.97. I used $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. Or, here's an awesome idea. If you guys have those store register rewards, you can go into the store and do this deal and use your store register rewards to pay, okay? So that's an awesome way to use those and it'll work just fine. So you're going to pay, or I paid $1.97 plus tax out of pocket. Submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards for $1 back on the Viva. It's spend 10, get $1 back. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Shopkick. There are 315 kicks for when you purchase the product and then 15 kicks for scanning in the store. So a total of 330 kicks back on Shopkick, and that is equal to $1.32. So, depending on how you want to look at it, for me, I'm looking at it as, you know what, this is hardly any money came out of my pocket and I received rebates back. So you can look at it 2 ways. You can look at this as free plus a 35-cent moneymaker, Or if you count your Walgreens cash as, you know, like you're paying cash out of pocket, this is $8.65 for all three, or $2.88 each. And I think that is a fantastic deal considering these are normally $6. And that's pretty much anywhere you go. I think they're about the same price at DG as well. You know, we do get the instant savings on the Viva, but rarely do we get really good deals where they are $2.88 each. So that's an awesome deal. So there's your paper towels. Yesterday, I had you covered on the bath tissue, and today, here is your paper towel deal, okay? Like I said, you can do this as a pickup order, or you can go in store and do it as well. Now, when I went into the store, I would show you my receipt, but I can't fold it in a way that it's not going to show you guys my card that I used. So, I'm just going to give you guys the breakdown here in just a second so you can screenshot it. But I did receive a paper spin booster that doesn't expire until, when does that expire? Oh my gosh, 7 days? 29th. Is that the right one? I may have grabbed the wrong one. I'm not sure. The 29th. So that's next week. Yeah. Okay. All right. $8 when you spend $35 or more. And I didn't receive a digital booster this week. There's not a whole lot of awesome deals going on. Just kind of the repeat monthly deals. But I did find that Walgreens is doing gifts of the week. So let me move my notebook out of the way here. So I'm going to pop it up on the screen here for you, the little slide. We have totes, memory foam slippers. These are a part of gifts of the week. I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but these are cute little polka dot, super thick inside memory foam. Awesome. I bought these for myself, okay? Don't judge me. This is one of my Christmas presents, okay? So we have these Totes Toasties memory foam slippers. These were $20, okay? And I can show you my receipt on this one. So these were $20. They are half off this week, so $8.49. I used a $5 store register reward. My subtotal was $3.49 plus tax. I redeemed $3 in Walgreens cash and paid that 81 cents out of pocket. There's the My Walgreens savings, which was $8.50. So, what is that? $16, $17 for these originally. Okay. And then I used that $5 store register reward. So, take advantage of these awesome gifts of the week. I think this would be a great Christmas present. They seem super comfy. And I just love them. They're so cute. And they had different designs. They had men's and women's. So, if you have those store register rewards and you just don't know what to do with them, there is an idea for you guys, okay? Super, super cute. All right, so I'm going to pop up the Viva breakdown on the screen here for you, and we will just call this one a day. All right, guys, so here is your screenshot for you. So like I said, you want to pick up 3 of the Viva paper towels, 6 count. They are $3.99 each. That's going to put you at $11.97. Use $10 in Walgreens cash, or if you're going in the store and you have some store register rewards, that is a great way that you can use those up. And you can also use manufacturer register rewards if you just have some that are fixing to expire. That's going to leave you paying $1.97 plus tax out of pocket. And keep in mind, if you're doing this as a pickup order, go ahead and try the code FAST10. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. We have this awesome point bonus right now for Viva paper towels. It's 1,000 points back when you spend $10 on Viva. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch. You're going to get $1 back. And then on Shopkick, we have 15 scan points. So when you go in to pick up your pickup order, make sure that you scan in the Viva paper towels. And we have 315 kicks back when you purchase the item. So that's a total of 330 kicks. That is the equivalent of $1.32. And that is going to make your final price, depending on how you want to look at it, either completely free plus a 35-cent moneymaker, or $9.65 for all three, or just $3.21 each. Now, I know I told you all some different numbers earlier in the video. I think it worked out to be $2.88 each, and that is with the code FAST10. So if that code works for you, like I said, it's going to be a little bit cheaper for you. Now, either way, I still think this is a great deal. These are normally $7 each, so you're getting $21 worth of products for $9.65, and that is an amazing deal, especially on Viva paper towels. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. Like I said, there's just not a whole lot of really new exciting deals going on at Walgreens this week. There are a couple that I may go back into the store and try. And if I do that, I will let you all know with another little quick, short, and easy video, okay? So, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any deals. And also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.